guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be reviewing the Facial Sonic Cleaning Brush. I actually picked this up from Poundland and we actually got this last year, a few months back. I actually put it in my box of things to review. I've got a box full of things that we need to review. My nose is itching. Hay fever. But yeah, so I have a box full of stuff that we need to review. I actually put this in there and forgot that we even had this, so it's been stuck there for a while. I know. Not good, but now we're doing it finally. So this from Poundland was £1. Can you believe that? £1. And this from Argos is round about, I think it's about £10 to £15. But I got it for £1. I was actually really shocked and stunned when we got this. I remember being stunned. And yeah, anyway, the products in there are like this. So let's have a look. They very generously give you some, very kindly give you some batteries, which is very good for £1. I can't get over this for £1. Yes, we are in the bedroom and we are going to attempt to use this in the bedroom. I'll show you everything I've got in front of me in a sec. Let's get through these first, as I just nearly smacked myself in the face. So anyway, this is the stand that we're going to stand it up in. Here is the actual product. And it already has an attachment on there. I think this is like a little massager, but you just plop that in there and voila, it is standing up, which is excellent because that means I can stand it up on one of my shelves or in the bathroom window, which I really appreciate that. On the back of the actual thing you have an on and off button. Oh, hello. It already has batteries in it, so let me just take a look here. How do we get in this? Okay, so that's interesting. How do we even... Do we pull it? No? Oh, this is... Oh, God. Okay, yeah, so there's already batteries in there as well. Beyond me. So there's batteries in there. You get some free ones. That's pretty darn cool for £1. I must say. I haven't used this, by the way. So, yeah, this bit, I think... We do have instructions. Why don't we use them? That's what a clever person would do. So, let me just take a quick look. So you don't really get many instructions. It's just like that. It shows you exactly everything you get. Remove eye makeup. Oh, that's not what we want. Okay, I think you just pull it, do we? Oh, yeah, I see. Or maybe I don't. Ooh. Okay, so how you get this off, you just put it there, break all your nails and just rip the darn thing. Oh God, I've got it stuck again. There we go. And it's off. So now we're on like this little massager thing. Okay, so I'm just going to put it in there so we don't wreck it or anything. So the other things that you get with this, you do get some couple of brushes and a sponge. So there's this one which feels super duper soft and smooth. Quite looking forward to you having a go with that. Then we get another one which has this blue ring around it, and this feels even more softer. It feels very nice. And then you get your sponge applicator. So yeah, the one that we're going to use today is probably going to be this one, or maybe this one. Okay, we'll go with the blue. So I'm just going to attach this on here, and how we do this is beyond you and me. So I think we just, it has like little ridges here, so I think, and then it has like a groove, so I think you just put that there and then just push it on. Oh, as simple as that. Lovely. So that's the packaging empty. You do get your instructions, as I say. This is just really outstanding for £1. I don't know if they still do them in the Poundland. I have not been in the Poundland for months, guys, and I actually should do a trip there, to be honest. Could do a really good haul in there. So, oh, and not forgetting this little attachment that was already on here. It's like got 3 little teeth on there. Get a good little massage out of that. So yeah, the things that I have in front of me right now, I'll just put that back in its stand. Lovely dovely. So I have a bowl with some hot water in there. It feels absolutely lush in this cold weather. Then I have some of this product. And again, this is from Poundlands that I got ages ago. I really don't know, again, if they do this or not. You don't even have to use this stuff anyway. You just use anything you want that you know that you're going to like to clean your face. So this is by Beauty Formulas. Face Visage, I think it's called. Gentle Cleansing Milk. That's that. And it has aloe vera, vitamin E for all skin types. So yeah, I like that. And then I have the Face Visage, I think it's called again, Refreshing Facial Tonic. Again, this is all for all skin types. Pro-vitamin B5, cucumber extract, vitamin E. Of course, they was £1 each. Then I also do have this one, but we won't be using this today because we don't have the Glam Face on today. So this is by the same brand again, and it is the Eyes Makeup Remover for all skin types yet again, and it has olive oil, Provitamin B5, vitamin E, but like I say, we're not going to be using that. And then I have some Cosmic Unicorn limited edition soap here in case I want to use that. However, today we're going to start off by using some milk. I'm just going to give this a really good shake up. This one is more like water. This one's like just really, really thick cream. Not cream, but it's like the texture of cream, but it's not cream. Okay, so we need to see if we can actually, let's just have a look at something a minute. So it says, do not use on open wounds. Well, we don't have any of them. Have acne, serious skin condition, or infections. Well, we don't have that. All this that you see on my face are scars. So, do not let children use this device. Don't use it on your sunburn. Well, you're bloody brave if you did. Have lightened skin allergies. Anyway, whatever. So, let's just get on with it. So, we're going to use this. And I'm going to take this. And we're just going to dip. I'm just putting the actual, that bit in. Applicator, I think you can call it. So yeah, I'll just put that in there. Got it nice and wet. That's what he said. And then I'm going to put some of this not white stuff, Star, behave yourself. I'm going to put some of this milk on my face. Even that sounded wrong. Oh my god, it's even... Okay, we're just going to shut up now and we're going to do this because it's starting to turn into something sexual. So here we go. We're just going to squirt a bit. We're just going to put this on the brush, okay? And then I'm just going to run it round with my finger. Okay, so it's nice and on there and... Oh dear, it's going to be one of them weird nights for me. Okay, so there is the white milk on there. And then I'm going to dip. I'm just going to put it in. This is not going. Okay, and then I'm going to turn it on. And does anybody else find this a little bit weird how we're trying to describe all of this? This is just turning out to be very weird for me. Okay, anyway, we're just going to go for it. So that is the noise. If you can hear that. And... ooh. That feels so good. See, that bit does not actually move, but it's really, really massaging. I like that. That is really nice. I think this might be okay if you have a headache. It'd be nice to like massage that headache out. That'd be really cool. I might actually give that a go because just recently I've been having some really bad headaches. So that'd be really cool to give that a go, see if it can massage some headaches away. But I'm really loving how this is giving me a massage. Woo! Bit tickly around the nose. Oh, I like that. Oh, it's so good. I would definitely recommend one of these. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off there because I'm just getting a little bit carried away. And now all my face is tickling. So I'm just going to take some of my soap. And I'm also just going to jam this on top of that. I'm going to dip my brush again into the water. Let that rinse off a little bit. Get some soap on here. I don't want too much of this. There we go. Okay, so just drain the water off for there. There we go. So I'm just going to massage this into my face now. Well, that really, really is a nice feeling. I like that. Ooh. So I haven't actually tried one of the face cleaners where this bit actually spins, and I really, really want one of them, so I think we may do a review on one of those. I'll go to Argos to get it. Yeah. I'm really happy with this. This is really, really cool. I really like this. Very relaxing. It's a bit tickly around the nose, but I like it. I like it a lot. I don't know whether if this would get your makeup off. I'm not too sure. But this is one great face massage. If you've had a stressful day, either at work, college, school, just in life in general, which is my day most of the time. And this may be if you... Oh my god, that is so bliss right there. Okay, that is really, really good. I have a very strong feeling that this is going to be really, really good for headaches. I'm going to turn this off now because I really am just loving that a little bit too much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rinse this bit, if we can. I'm just going to try... Oh, okay, so I've actually took it off. I'm just going to give it a good rinsey woos in my thing here. I actually have a towel here as well, so yeah, we're not going to get totally drenched. That's not what I'm doing in my bedroom for. I'm not into the wet shirt party thing yet. Now, okay, so I've just cleaned this off. I've given it a good rinsey woo. I'm about to just pop it back on there. And my towel with the owls and cats all over it, I'm just going to dry the machine off a little bit. And I'm just going to go again and see if we can remove some of this bubble. Oh wow. Ooh, it's cool. I love it. I definitely recommend this, guys. Absolutely recommend it. Oh, that is bliss. Okay, I'm turning it off, and I'm just going to take the applicator bit off, and I'm going to wash it again. Just give that a good old rinsey woos in there. I'm very, very pleasantly happy with that. I don't know what else I can say. So I'm just going to take my towel and pat my face. Oh. Maybe just wipe it. Okay. Oh. Just a load of soup. Okay, yeah, so my skin feels so good right now. But that is because probably because of the products. But this machine, I'm sorry guys, tickly nose. But my skin now feels, I don't know, it feels completely different from taking a normal flannel, washing your face. I feel like using this, it's made my skin feel more relaxed and really, really lovely. I can't wait to give this a proper full go when I have one of my really bad headaches, because I have a feeling it's going to do that some wonders. I really, really do, because it's a really powerful vibration. And when you get a nice warm, I'm not going to show you the water now because it's all dirty clearly, but yeah, when you get your warm water on there, it just, I don't know, it massages it and it feels great. I really, really like it. So let's see what this bit does here. I'm just going to give this one a whirl, see what it actually does. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this has a more intense vibration with this part on. Oh god, no. Okay, I don't like that bit. Under there, my nose was going completely cray-cray then. I don't like that part, but let's just try this again, because it might be good for on your, what do they call that, the temples? Is it? Let's try it on there. Oh, yeah. That's good. If you had two of them and you're just there like that. It's really, really good, actually. It's very relaxing. I changed my mind, and I like that. That is very, very deep. I mean, when I was doing it on that part there, I could feel this ear tickling so bad. I really, really like this. I think I'm actually going to be really addicted to this. I think this is going to be something that is definitely going to be added on to my nighttime routine. Absolutely, definitely. I mean, I've just done my face now and I feel great. I feel alive again. I'm happy with it. I love it. I just can't believe that it is £1. I'm actually gobsmacked at that. I wish I'd done this review as soon as I got it. I have learnt my lesson, guys. We are going to start doing reviews as soon as we get the goods, because I feel really horrible now that we've left this one for the length of time that we have. But I did forget. So there we have it. I like this. I definitely recommend it. If they still have it, pick yourself one up. Don't just think, oh, £1, it's going to be crap. Honestly, guys, bangers and mash is brilliant. I love it. And I don't like bangers and mash, just saying. So I'm going to let you go now, guys. I hope you like this review. If you have any questions at all, please bob them down below and I'll answer them the best that I can. Yes, so like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell button for more notifications. There we go. If you know of any products that you want me to do a review on, it can be something expensive, something really cheap, something that you're not quite sure on if you want to pay for it, but you'd like me to review it first for you guys, and then you can decide if you want to go buy it. I will be happy enough to do that, so leave it all down below and we will crack on with the day and sort these requests out. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.